Hello, bootcampers. Welcome to this 3 days Reiki Inner Child Healing Bootcamp. I will brief you shortly now that how and what we will be covering in this bootcamp. First, we will start with inner child healing, which will help you release all the baggage that is holding you from achieving whatever you want in your life. It will also help you to improve your self confidence and self worth, leading to better performance in your career and relationships. Then we will do cord cutting on throat chakra. When we start healing the throat chakra, you will see that your communication skills will start becoming more effective, and it will help you to build stronger relationships at work and in your personal life. Also, throat chakra healing helps you to release all the tension and blockages from your life. It helps you to reduce stress and anxiety related to communication and expression. Then we will do spiritual healing through Reiki, which will help you to reduce stress and burnout, leading to greater resilience and well-being in your life. Also, Reiki will give you the clarity, whether it's in your personal or professional life. Answers will start coming to you for all your unresolved questions that you have in your mind. You will start receiving clarity in that area of your life. Then we will do heart chakra healing at deeper level with grandmaster level Reiki, with which you will start deepening your self-love and self-acceptance for yourself. Also, it will help you to improve your relationships and enhance emotional intelligence. Your emotional well-being will start improving with Reiki. We will also cover aura strengthening in this live session to improve your energy protection. With aura strengthening, you will learn how others' negativity will not affect you, how you can protect your own aura with your own energy. It will also increase positivity and well-being in your life, because when others will not affect you, how beautiful your life will start becoming. And the last thing which we will do is trauma release. So with trauma release, you will release your emotional blockages that are holding you from achieving the life you desire. It will also help you to regulate your emotions, reducing the amount of stress and anxiety you feel in your everyday life. So all this will be covered with live Reiki Grandmaster level Reiki. With me, I will be live with you for 90 minutes. So make sure that you are coming live and you are attending it with me. See you all in the live day 1 bootcamp.